Hey everybody, Mr. Josh here with Mentor Public Library, bringing you another episode of Artpocalypse, our weekly arts and crafts video series, here to make something fun. Let's get started. Okay, today's craft, I'm going to show you guys the bane of every parent's existence and teach you guys how to make slime.
No. No.
I already have a parent saying no in the distance, so this should be fun. So what you'll need is glue, borax, which you can find in the laundry detergent aisle at your local supermarket. You need a cup of warm water, and then if you want, you can use food coloring to make it fun colors, and then just something to mix with. So let's get started. What you'll need is the glue first. So it said, the recipe I saw said to take about a half cup, which I think works out to largely most of a bottle of glue, like a standard bottle. So just dump that into your bowl. Fun sound effects. Okay. You don't have to empty it completely, just so most of it comes out. Okay, set that aside. And then of your cup of water, pour in about a half. And see how good I am at measuring to pour stuff. That's about half. And then you can stir that up so they're mixed together. Cool. That's pretty good. And then with your borax, and friendly reminder that this stuff is not necessarily toxic, but it's not something you want to eat. If you get it on your hands at any point, just rinse them off real quick with soap and water. You'll need about a half a teaspoon. I don't have measuring spoons here, so I'm just eyeballing this. Take your half teaspoon, pour it in the other half cup of water that you had left over, and then mix that up. And then if you have food coloring, you can add it to the glue mixture. I'm going to make some purple slime here, because that sounds fun. Mix that in real quick. Should have done that before, but whatever. Okay. Alright, so you're ready to go. See if that dissolved mostly. And then just pour this into this. And then stir it up. You can already see slime forming. So it'll start stirring, and the chemical reaction going on in here will make it a little bit more slimy as you go, till eventually you can just pick this up with your hands. Hopefully. And if it's too slimy, you can add a little bit more borax to it. But look at how fun that is, right? I'm going to pour in just a little bit more and see what happens, right? That'll help it to firm up. Ew. And any parent who's my age, you might remember Gak from Nickelodeon as a kid. This is the kind of stuff that reminds me of Gak. So it'll bring back some memories for you when your kids get this in your carpet or whatever. Hopefully they don't. You can usually just use like a vinegar spray if they do. But once it's pretty firm and jiggly like Jell-O, you can just pick it up with your hands and start playing with slime. How fun.